Hi guys and welcome to Tutorial Tuesday with me, John Fox, your weekly magic fix. So, Charlene's behind the camera. Have you ever heard of the gambler called Wild Bill?
No.
You've never heard of Wild Bill? Well, I'll tell you, Wild Bill in high society was an amazing gambler. However, I know he was actually a crooked gambler. And I'll show you what I mean. He actually dealt himself, they were playing a five-handed game of poker, and he dealt himself an ace high straight. And he got the 10 of spades, but he was using markings. And you'll see that the 10 of spades is marked in that corner. The jack of spades is actually marked in this corner. The queen of spades, this corner. And the king of spades in this corner. And of course, he had the ace of hearts. However, Wild Bill was an absolute perfectionist. And as I say, an awesome card cheat. So he used many different principles, palming, switches, and things like that. But what he did is he was an absolute perfectionist. So he took the ace, smacked it on top of the deck, and then changed and managed to switch the ace of hearts, the ace of spades, the 10, the jack, the queen, and king of spades, giving him the highest hand in poker, which was a royal flush. And as Wild Bill went to reach to grab the money, the other gambler said, "Wild Bill, stop." He goes, "What?" He goes, "I think you're cheating." And Wild Bill goes, "I don't cheat." He goes, "Well, I want to see the royal flush." And at that point in time, at that exact moment, Wild Bill had realised that he'd switched the cards from another deck. Needless to say, Wild Bill doesn't gamble anymore. Until next Tuesday, I'm John Fox. Stay safe and bye for now.